Namaste. Namaste all. Hope you all are doing great. First of all, welcome to this live session. Myself, Dr. Shraddha, consultant Naturopathy and Yoga at Vivekananda Health Global, Bangalore, located in HSR and HRBR layout. So first of all, wishing you all a very happy International Women's Day. On account of International Women's Day, let's discuss about different health challenges faced by women at different stages and how to overcome it through lifestyle modifications. So when we talk about our traditional system of medicines like Ayurveda, the concepts of Dinacharya or the yoga emphasize more on your lifestyle, that is your routine, what time to get up, what time to have your food, what is the good time to have fruits, all these things, is it not? So talking about lifestyle modification, what best lifestyle modification do to women's health? This is the main discussion for today's topic. So what are the common lifestyle or what are the common health issues faced by women? So when we talk about it, firstly, we suddenly it comes to our mind is menstrual disorders. So be it PCOD, PCOS, or irregular menstrual cycle, or pain during menstrual cycles, that is dysmenorrhea, or your hormonal imbalance leading to these things, or infertility, that is finding difficult to conceive, or thyroid disorders, be it hypo or hyperthyroidism, or bone-related issues, which are women more prone to, or be it mental disorders like depression, anxiety, stress, panic attacks can be the various conditions that women face in day-to-day life, or during this generation, I would say. So talking about management of these conditions, there are few out of many that I've named. So how do you manage these things? So various treatments are available with, different factors involved in these treatments. Again, treatment would depend from person to person, depending upon like age of the individual, or duration from how long the condition is in, and various severity, various other treatment would differ on these basis. But you take up any particular treatment, one thing would remain unchanged, that is lifestyle modification. So let me take this opportunity to create awareness regarding lifestyle modification and what it can do to our health. So what is lifestyle modification? Is it about having good food and involving in any kind of exercise? Is it all about lifestyle modification? Then the answer is partially yes. And no. Yes, because it includes diet modification and exercise. No, because it is not all about food and exercise. It is much more than these two conditions. So lifestyle is something you are being aware or being mindful throughout your day on what you are doing. So with a simple example, it could be getting up from a sitting posture, especially if you are a desk job official, getting up once in an hour and just stretching yourself and getting back to your work. Or it could be like using stairs instead of elevators, or these simple kinds of activity, being mindful right from the time you wake up until you sleep, and managing your sleep as well. So let's discuss one-on-one here. What are the things you can do best to keep up or manage certain condition? So sleep, management of stress, diet, sunbathing, exercise, your water intake, these all come under lifestyle modification. First, I would like to address sleep. So talking about sleep, I would say sleep is a underrated medicine. Why exactly? Because major repair of your body, rejuvenation, detoxification is happening in your body when you give up your body that amount of rest. Okay, so other than repair, rejuvenation, it is when you sleep, your immune system regulation, your hormonal regulation happens. I would say every other condition or disease would have slight connection with the sleep deprivation. So managing your sleep becomes very, very crucial. And sleep is also a kind of thing which is always compromised. So when we have exam tomorrow, for example, or if we have an assignment submission, the first thing we do is we compromise our sleep and complete the assignment or study. Let's be honest, in any point of life, each one of us have done that, but that cannot be a regular thing. 1 or 2 days for can be excluded, but it cannot be a regular thing. So also how to manage your sleep cycle. So it could be with the simple age-old remedy through Ayurveda, that is a glass of warm turmeric milk, or it could be a tepid or a warm food bath, or it could be simple breathing technique that helps to manage your sleep pattern, becomes highly, highly beneficial. Also, one more important thing is try to be away from gadgets at least 45 minutes before you go to bed. So up next, we have exercise. So exercise is one of the important factor in day-to-day activity. We all know the importance of exercise. Talking about exercise, yes, you can adapt any activity of your choice, be it yoga, be it jogging or running, any kind of activity, and practice it every single day or at least 4 to 5 days in a week. Apart from this, how you can improve your activity level, or how you can avoid being inactive. So as I mentioned earlier, try to take stairs instead of elevators or lifts. Try to walk to your nearby stores to get grocery instead of depending on vehicles. If you are into desk job, try to get up once in 45 or 1 hour and just give a back stretch, or simply walk around and get back to your work. Or if you are into a lot of calls, if possible, try to walk as you are on the call so that you're walking. This may not be it. Depending on only these things may not be sufficient. You have to exercise for at least 1 hour a day, but it's also important to be active throughout the day so that your muscle doesn't go weak and there is proper blood circulation throughout your day. Next will be something we'll discuss about stress. So when we talk about stress, each individual at one point of life face some amount of stress, but how well you cope up with stress is important and becomes crucial. So if you are managing well with your diet, your exercise, your sleep and other things, but if you're not managing well your stress, then stress can definitely take toll on your life. or on your health. So what you can do for management of stress, as simple as breathing exercise or meditation. What other than yoga we can think of when we talk about stress, is it not? So yes, meditation or yoga or any kind of breathing exercise definitely helps to relax your mind, keep yourself calm, and manage your stress. Apart from these, try to spend quality time with your loved ones, and always try to discuss your concern with appropriate person or expert in the field, so that you can get rid of that heaviness in your mind and feel free or feel light throughout the day. Up next we have is diet. It is definitely an important component in each one of our lives. Well, diet depends again on various factors, and it depends on individual, it depends on the person, and it depends on the place you are from, all these things. But to be very general, try to avoid food that is refined or filled with preservatives, anything that comes with packed or tinned or canned or refined food, processed food. Try to stay away from all these kind of food, and try to be dependent on more home cooked, naturally available food, seasonal fruit. That is what Ayurveda talks about, seasonal fruit. And try to have lots of vegetables, fruits, nuts and seeds, and other naturally available things. Having been said that, when we generally sit for consultation, a lot of people tend to ask us, can we enjoy that one particular sweet of your choice? Sometimes we crave a lot. Well, answer is definitely yes. You can enjoy the food of your choice in moderation once in a while, and get rid of that guilt or that craving without guilt, I mean. So, but it every day cannot be a Diwali. So try to keep it once in a while in moderation and enjoy for that moment. And also one more important thing is, if your food is basically balanced, you do not crave for outside food or basically sweets or things like that. So if listen to your body first, try to address your body's requirement and try to work accordingly. One more important thing is water intake. So try to have good amount of water. Even you do not have to depend water alone for your hydration. You can also depend on tender coconut water, buttermilk, water-rich foods like fruits, like watermelons and things like that. And certain, sabja seeds soaked in water can be a great remedy for keeping yourself hydrated throughout the day. And up next we have sunbathing. So a lot of people can correlate sunbathing with vitamin D deficiency. So when we talk about sunbathing, definitely it is a natural source for vitamin D. Along with that, it can also help to detoxify your body. It can help to prevent depression, stress, anxiety, and panic attacks. It's a great way to keep yourself active. Exposed to sun every single day, at least for 15 to 20 minutes. Or, keep your activity while you're exposing to sun, like exercise or things like that. Or while you're exposing, try to wear minimum clothes, or simple cotton white clothes will be preferred. Expose your joints, knee joints, and legs for better absorption of the sunlight. So these were the simple lifestyle modification that can be used for your management and for prevention of various condition. Rather, I would say these are the way of life. Do not think this as preventive measure, but this should be a way of life. This is how you should lead a life. Okay, so now let's discuss on how lifestyle takes toll on your or on women's health. Now, as simple as if you are stressed, you tend to either binge eat, or you may have loss of appetite because you're stressed. This may lead to indigestion. As a result, it may lead to poor nutrition or absorption. Find it difficult to absorb the nutrients, or there will be loss of lack of sleep, may end up having hormonal imbalance, or loss of inactivity, or inactivity may lead to obesity, lack of blood circulation, muscles may go weak, and things like this. So definitely adapting to a healthy lifestyle can greatly positively impact on our health. So try to adopt these small changes in your life and have a great change in your life, health, I would say. So try to be active, try to sleep on time, try to have a quality sleep, try to have good food, try to expose yourself to sun, and practice this regularly with smile on your face. And hope this information helps. We'll meet next time. Until then, stay healthy and stay happy. Thank you. Namaste.